What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. The Pistons aren't the only Detroit basketball. Hey, I just picked up this basketball. It's by one of my favorite companies, Shinola. It says it right there, blazing Shinola, Detroit. Now, this one's an all-white basketball. They actually make some various leather goods, the stuff you'd expect, handbags, briefcases, portfolios, that kind of thing. But they also make some more office decoration types of products, like this basketball. I showed you my baseball, but just got this, and it's a little deflated. I couldn't find my pump to pump it up, but it is in the shape of a basketball, and it's got that bladder inside the pump, the plug right there. And then we have some really nice stitching. Kind of reminds me of leather shoelaces. Now, could you actually play basketball with this once it's pumped up? You probably could, but I don't know that you'd want to. I think the fact that they really use kind of a very high quality, handbag type of leather doesn't mean this is going to hold up to abuse, especially if you dribble this on concrete. So you can see here all that pebbling. It's just like a fine leather purse, jacket, satchel. It's not that hardened rubberized, textured, but it's pretty awesome. And I ordered a little basketball display stand because I'm going to put this in my office right next to my Shinola baseball just to show it off. Smells absolutely amazing, and it's just another one of the products that you can get from Shinola to kind of show your love for the lifestyle brand, as well as your pride of Detroit. You don't have to be from Detroit like me. You can just be proud of a blue-collar, hard-working city like Detroit, and Shinola is a great way to show it. Everyone recognizes it. I see people wearing Shinola watches all the time, and I'm always like, hey, pound. Haven't seen one of these in the wild. I'm pretty excited to have it and display it. And in the next few years, maybe the Pistons will get good. But until then, I'm going to enjoy my Shinola basketball. Hey, if you want to pick this up, they're not inexpensive. And depending on what the color scheme you get or what they have in stock, they don't always have them in stock either, but they're like $225, I think. A little pricey. But I really wanted it. And I haven't gotten myself anything recently. Hey, if you want a link to this or any other great Shinola products, I'll put links to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda. Out.